So for breakfast I am going to have my Weetabix. I've been having that every day basically since I've started Slimming World. So I've just got the last two in my bowl. I need to go and buy more. I am going to cut up some strawberries, maybe a banana, and use my Alpro Soy Light. I really struggle to get in the healthy extra A's, so I don't count the milk because I know that I'm nowhere near the allowance for it anyway. So yeah, let's eat breakfast.
Last night we had something, tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet.
So for lunch I'm gonna make it super easy and simple. I really fancy the air fryer chips. I've made them before in a what I eat in a day, but I'll show you the process, and a nice big salad. I've also drank a full one of these with diluting juice. Just this one, no added sugar, free on Slimming World.
When I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart.
So I've just cut up all my potatoes into chip shapes, and I'm going to use this to go on top and stick it in the air fryer.
And slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure if I want this, you don't think that I notice. This isn't like giving you space.
So while that's in the air fryer, I'm just going to chop up my salad bits. I need to buy more lettuce, so I'll just do that, and then the rabbits can have this bit.
I don't wanna play the quiet side when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
So for the avocado, I am pretty sure it is 7 syns for this. Pains me to even count that as syns because I just don't think it's fair. I know it's because of the fat content, but it's good fat. It's better than like fat from a packet of crisps. So it's just annoying that it needs to be synned, but I will chop that up and add it to my salad. For salad dressings, I've been using this one from Aldi. It's just Bramwell's light French dressing. It's half a sin per tablespoon, so I use 2 tablespoons on my salad and it only counts as 1 sin, so it's not bad. Better than the vegan mayonnaise that I was using before. So here is my lunch. It's a total of 8 syns, but that's obviously all because of the avocado. But I didn't have any for breakfast or any snacks or stuff in between, so still well under my syns for the day. I'm just going to add a little bit of chilli and garlic salt to the chips to give it some flavour, and that's my lunch.
Others. You set my world on fire.
Hi everyone, so it's now dinner time. It is a bit later than I would usually like to eat dinner, but I've been running around all day seeing my mum and my granny and getting different things done, so only just getting around to having it now. I am making the Mayflower curry sauce. Looks like that. Very popular with Slimming World. It's only 4 syns per portion and tastes exactly like Chinese curry sauce. And tonight I'm making it with corn chicken nuggets, broccoli, cauliflower, peas and onions in it, so plenty of veg as well, and also some brown rice because it's a little bit healthier. And yeah, I'll show you how it all comes together. I'm just getting the curry sauce ready, so I am making enough for 2 portions. So per portion it's 28 grams, so I'm going to make 56 grams. And this makes a lot of curry sauce, so you don't feel like you're getting cheated. There we go. And I'm going to mix that with 400 ml of water and heat it up in the pan. There's been a little bit of a change of plan because I don't have any more peas left in my freezer. I thought I did, so we're just doing onions, broccoli, cauliflower and corn chicken nuggets, but that's still a good amount of veg, so it's alright. Rice is nearly ready as well, and it will all come together soon.
I just want you, I just need you, I don't know what it is.
Okay, so the cauliflower, broccoli, onions are ready, nuggets are ready, they're still in the oven, and the curry sauce is ready. So I'm just going to pour it in, and then I'll mix it around. Going to add the nuggets in last because they might go a bit soggy. There we have it. I've got 4 nuggets, so that is 2 syns for the whole dinner, and I'm going to enjoy it. It looks super yummy. So it's a little bit later and I finished my dinner. It was really yummy, and that's all I've had to eat today. I'm not having anything else. Today's not really been any snacks or anything in between. I don't really snack if I'm getting decent big meals throughout the day, so sometimes I'll feel like having a packet of Skips or something at 3.5 syns or more fruit or something like that, but not today. So that is me, and I hope you enjoyed watching and maybe got some ideas, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I lose my breath when